All right, GJ here at ABTECH Electrical Services. We're going to do a tutorial of the new backup generator from Generac. The new next gen is what they're calling it. And as you can see, we've got the Guardian series to the left. We've got the next gen product to the right. The first thing we're going to talk about here are just some of the noticeable appearance differences. As you can see, the new Generac, next gen is what they're calling it, is more of a gray shade than the what I would call taupe or cream color of the old Guardian series. So that's a big change that they've made. A little more sleek design. As you can see on this unit, looking more modern. This old unit, well, I shouldn't say old, the original Guardian series, although it looks pretty sleek, it's just a little different, right? I've got both lids open. Let me go ahead and close those and kind of give you an idea of what the difference they look like all shut and how it would look if it was in somebody's home. So you can tell that they've got a little more sleek look. You can see that the top of the generator has a sloped design in an effort to not let water pool, snow pile up, a lot easier to maintain. The Guardian series is a flat top, right? That lid sometimes can be prone to a little moisture, residue, water kind of pooling. I don't think we're gonna have that issue with this new next gen product. So that's pretty cool. The next big feature that a lot of the guys are really liking, let me open this Guardian series generator. You'll notice that this top lid doesn't go full 90 degrees, right? See that? We look at this next gen, a lot lighter. The hinges is a lot more robust. Look at how this thing opens. Pretty slick. Furthermore, we'll take the front cover off of the Guardian. Comes off really easy. Not difficult. All your engine components are pretty accessible. The only issue that we've ever said is that the back cylinders are difficult to get to. Changing the spark plug back there, working on the back of that motor can be difficult sometimes. We'll watch how easy this comes off. Just two little lips here at the top. You see that? We'll just pull that right off. See how it's connected below? I would say it's a lot lighter interface. About the same access here as far as how things are put together. See the oil filter. The back of the motor is a little easier to get to. Little different air filter intake. The one thing I noticed was there is no soundproofing or insulation on the new units. Not sure why Generac did that. Okay. So let's talk about some technology. The Evo 2 controller on the current 2025 models, this touchpad, touchscreen, whenever we're doing service or maintaining units, most of our engagement, I would like to say, with the unit is done through that screen. Whereas if you notice on the next gen product, we have nothing. And why is that? Well, Generac is giving us a proprietary app that you have to be trained on, you have to be certified on, you have to be a dealer to log in, activate, and troubleshoot the unit. As an example, we have a 400-page book that our maintenance technicians carry to service units like these when we're repairing, if it's not just a normal service. And we have to go through troubleshooting guides, step 1, step 2, step 3, whereas this app is going to tell us right away what's wrong with the unit and what to repair. So that is going to be a really, really cool way of troubleshooting and maintaining units in the future. Keeping in mind that these units are so new, not even rolled out to the whole country yet. We've been selected as a dealer here locally in Southern Indiana and Louisville, Kentucky, actually the only dealer that can install the new next-gen product. We have 6 technicians that are trained on this unit now and the old Guardian series. Pretty extensive full-day training that Generac puts you through. So should bring comfort for those using ABTECH to service their product, because now you know that we've taken all the necessary training courses to be able to keep your unit running when there is a power outage. So we've went over the differences. I think the new model is going to be great. There's obviously going to be kinks that worked out. The existing model is, there's nothing wrong with it. It's a tried, tested unit. Generac has done a good job with this new design, and we'll see what its performance is going to be like. It's supposed to be more fuel efficient. It's supposed to be less cost when it comes to energy, gas service energy is what I'm saying. Oh, another option that we need to talk about, the existing Guardian series all have Wi-Fi. And if you don't have Wi-Fi, we're able to put on the side of the unit or back of the unit a LTE device. These new units have LTE built in. So no longer will we have to worry about connecting to internet or making sure Wi-Fi is available. We will pay for the subscription for the customer as long as we are maintaining the unit, the LTE device connected via cellular. That way, any issues in the future that someone may have, we can see that before it becomes an issue with our fleet management monitoring and address them before a storm or a power outage, so the customer can feel confident that their unit is up and running. We're going to post this video to our YouTube station. We're going to post this to social media. Like it, talk to us about it. Once again, we're the only dealer in the area that's offering this unit. It's a pretty exciting time, and reach out to us to get a quote. Keeping in mind that right now we are trying to unload existing Guardian series generators that we have in stock, ready to roll, ready to install. And if you get one of these right now, you're gonna get a heck of a deal because we are ready to move them. We are ready to start installing the the new model. And yeah, it's exciting times, but hopefully it was a good tutorial for everybody, and it will help us in the future when we're proposing new generators to customers. It'll help the customer understand the difference in what they're getting. I can't say, some people might go, well, what would you pick? Well, if you're buying a new car, even though you want the new model, sometimes the new model isn't great, but somebody has to be a guinea pig, right? These Guardian series units are great units. They've been tested, they've been tried, they work well. You know, #1 in the market. I'm sure within the next 2-3 years, as we start to roll these out and get all the kinks, these are going to be exponentially better. Let's close these up and take a look at them closed up one more time. Also can kind of see the application of how that works. I feel like this new unit puts together a little bit better than the old. I shouldn't say old, legacy. So there, that's in. See that? Oh, another feature real quick. 2 key compartments on the Guardian, 1 on each side of the unit. 1 key compartment. 1 key compartment on the new next gen product. Got that closed up. This has always been kind of a booger with Generac, trying to get this unit cover back on. Hopefully this will go on pretty easily. That's on. See that? We'll close this up. Oh, one other thing to note. This is kind of goofy that Generac did this. The breaker is opposite. It's upside down. On, off, on is up, off is down. Off is up, on is down there. See that? That might throw some people off. Not that big a deal. There is a label there. So there you go. Give us some comments. Share your thoughts, opinions about the new unit versus the existing Guardian. We'd be happy to go over any details. As you can see, we've got our install trailer in the background. It is a Friday, and our delivery trailer in the background. These units actually that are over here have been prepped and ready to install. All are sold. Transfer switches right here, Gen cart. We're ready to roll here. Typically, we like to install on Mondays and Fridays, the unit on somebody's property to start the process, get the ball rolling. We'll do anywhere from 2 to 4 deliveries on property in a day. And then our installs crew take another trailer when it's time to do the final connection and start up. But anyway, wanted to go through that with everybody here. Excited for this opportunity for the next 3 months of 2025 to start installing these new ones. Give people unbelievable deals on the existing Generacs that we have in stock. And for any other questions, call us. You got our number. Go to our website. Like us on Facebook. Go to our YouTube channel. Whatever is easiest. We are the only 5-star rated Generac dealer in the Kentuckian area. More 5-star reviews on our Generac website than anybody. That's a testament to our guys and the due diligence that they spend with our customers and making sure that they understand what they're getting when they buy a Generac from us. We are a total service package solution here. So anyway, any other questions? Get in touch with us. Happy Friday.